Did you know that one woman's revenge killed over 10,000 people and burned an entire city to the ground? In 945, the Drevlians murdered Prince Igor of Kiev. His wife Olga would make them pay in the most horrific way possible. When Drevlian ambassadors arrived demanding she marry their Prince Mal, Olga pretended to agree. She invited them to be carried to her palace in their ceremonial boat as an honor. Instead, her men dropped the boat into a deep pit and buried all 20 ambassadors alive. But Olga wasn't finished. She invited 5,000 Drevlian nobles to a funeral feast, then locked them inside a bathhouse and burned them all alive. For her final act of revenge, Olga besieged their capital city. When the starving people offered surrender, she made a strange demand, just 3 sparrows and 3 pigeons from each house. The confused Drevlians agreed. Olga's soldiers tied a burning cloth to each bird. When released, they flew straight home to their nests. The entire wooden city erupted in flames. 5,000 more people burned alive while Olga watched. She enslaved the survivors and later became a Christian saint.